What's up? Let's just do a quick little market update. Uh, Bitcoin 86,000. Here in the US, we had a crypto summit. I didn't hear much about it, so let's figure out what was or wasn't talked about. They hosted a first ever crypto summit on Friday. The Cesar was there, David Sachs. The price dropped 30%. Trump announced that he signed an order to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve. I was in that coin. It's like a meme coin, and so I finally exited that because it's here now. I was in it for like almost 3 4 months, so nice little gains there. Not mad at that. I'm waiting for the strategic meme reserve, and again, no financial advice here, but that's another play I'm in for the meme coin. um, I don't know. I feel like it was created 3 or 4 months ago as well. So we'll see if that one comes, as some companies have already filed for like a bunk ETF. Man, was it PopCat? I don't remember. Let's see, strategic meme reserve. It was like a couple that were mentioned in the meme one. Um, Dang it. There was a couple here that were mostly people would probably think, of course, like Trump is going to be in there as well for the meme coin ETF. But anyways, let's go back to where I was. Um, it gave okay, so the executive order gave no explicit guarantee or timetable for the government to begin making new crypto purchases outright. So that sucks. If such purchases were to ever occur, it said they would be undertaken in a budget neutral way and at no additional cost to taxpayers. Well, duh. We would hope so. Um, yeah, I guess it wasn't really about anything. Well, that sucks. I really thought we would get some news that kind of changed some things here in the US, but it doesn't seem like much has been said for us to excited about it. So they're gonna be auditing. I'm looking for maybe see if there's some news. So he's going to explore new pathways to buy more Bitcoin from Missouri. I think the U.S. is going to make sure that they take some people's Bitcoin. And I don't know who. I don't know if it's a person or a country. But I think a lot of our initiatives are going to just be snatching Bitcoin out of people's hands. Okay, so we're never selling Bitcoin, which, duh, why would we? That wouldn't make any sense. It was only 21 minutes. There's a lot of people there for 21 minutes. So David Sachs said Bitcoin is scarce, it's valuable, and that it is strategic for the U.S. to hold on to this as a long-term reserve asset. Duh. I just love how now everyone's talking about it. Like I feel bad for people who heard about Bitcoin and just never got in because they're like, no, it's illegal, it's bandit, it's a scam, it's like all the things. Gwei is really that low? Whoa, that's nuts. Is that really what Gwei is? That doesn't even seem like it would be that low. Let's see. I don't think I've ever seen ETH gas that low. Wow. This is a great time to do anything in crypto. This is a great time to this is a great time to buy everything. Holy crap. And to think one day it'll be at 554. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. What else is in the news? Crypto related news. Oh, I thought I had pulled up Cointelegram because they had said something that I saw. So let's see what the latest news is this week of crypto. All right. El Salvador has acquired 13 BTC since March 1st. Okay, go ahead. Uh, yes, more women need to get in. If you are dating a woman, if your mother is a woman, If your grandmother is a woman, you need to get them involved in this. Do not collect all the money and not make sure that your family isn't aware of the opportunity that is here. They will thank you with delicious foods. I was going to say tamales. I don't even know why I was going to say that. Coinbase is going to add 1,000 more U.S. jobs in 2025. Let's go. That's what we need. More jobs. What else? The Bitcoin bull run isn't dead yet. Why do we have a yet? I don't know. What is our bear market to these days? Are we going all the way down? Oh, also, I had my first rug pull this year. I should have known better, but sometimes optimism is just should not be in your mindset. Oh, now the stupid thing is tweeting. So at the time, this thing had stopped tweeting for like a week, and this is before the coin dropped. And so I don't know where the price is now because I was just like, whatever. I didn't sell it. I didn't do anything. It was supposed to go on. So they raised $25 million allegedly, and it was supposed to be on market. What is it called? Market. Some kind of market thing. And I don't even know where it is now. I don't know if it's finally gone back up. I don't know if it's completely scammed, but the way that candle, y'all know what the scam candle looked like. The way that candle looked, I was like, bruh. Let's see if they're still scamming or. And excuse my voice. I don't know why it sounds all raspy like this, but hey. Okay, so now it's on Bitmart. Let's see. Bitmart.com. I've never been on Bitmart, so I'm not gonna just blindly click that link because I don't even know if it is a .com or .io. Okay, it's looking like that is the right link. So let's go back and see. It's back and stronger than ever. OMG. Let's see if this is under. Now, mind you, most of us bought at a penny or more. Yeah, this thing has tanked. This is not good. Look at that. Sheesh. This is not even the real chart though, but basically this is what it looks like. I think the highest was like 6 cents and then it dropped to basically where we are today. So much for the money that was raised and all of that. Let's see, what do the comments say? Biggest scam in crypto history. This is why I said no financial advice. Sometimes you get in and it's great. Oh, it won't even let us claim. Wow. And yeah, people are not excited about this. Yeah. So that's my first. Well, I won't say my first one because I don't want another one, but that is one for 2025. Are you even a degen if you haven't been rugged at least once a year? I don't know. I don't know if you are really, really about that life. But, it's called degen. What do you expect? So I saw that it wasn't tweeting and I should have cashed out, but I didn't. I was like, oh no, it's going to be added to Bitmart March 4th. I just didn't think that it would fall like that. That candle was ugly. But y'all know how them candles be looking. All right, let's see. They write a lot of articles. I didn't even realize how I didn't even know how this was going. NFT volume has tumbled 63% since December. Sheesh. Donald Trump signs executive. Doesn't really look like any news. I want to. If you have a accredited investor if you qualify those credentials, look into World Financial, because don't mind my dog crying in the background. She's like asleep. But yeah, that's something worth looking into, investing in that company, because in 4 years, whatever your investment it was, it's gonna be up. Not financial advice. Do your research, of course, but yeah, I can't really. This is a lot of news. I thought I could find like quick news, but this is a lot of news. But anyways, that's some of the news for the week, and thank you for bearing with me. I know this channel has not come together the way we would have hoped. It is, but I'm posting weekly, and so like a lot of points for consistency, even if I haven't yet to really dive into what I have planned in my notebook. But it's a little bit of the news for the week. Let's see what else a watcher has. Oh, the U.S. is now the world's largest strategic Bitcoin reserve. Well, duh. I mean, are we always? We're gonna be the biggest, the greatest. Wait, I mean, come on. This is funny. The orange here, it's hilarious. I'm not even looking at the stock market. What? So the Bitcoin Reserve Bill passes in Texas. Okay, let's go, Texas. I mean, that's going to be the cool thing about all of this, is that eventually every state will have their reserve. That's probably the most exciting thing. All right, I'm going to abolish the Federal Reserve. Interesting. Wow. There you see. World Liberty Financial partners with SUI to launch a strategic SUI reserve. What? Did not see that coming. There's some, and this is why, if we look, this is why this bear market that we're in right now is everything. Because some of these coins, let's see, there's SUI is 246. What's the all-time high of SUI? I want to say it's like $5. You're getting this at like 50% off. Yeah, 535. You're getting it 50% off. And this is something that's going to be in a reserve, which means the price is going to rise. Now, is the price going to rise when you need it to rise? Probably not. So make sure you're doing smart investing. Make sure every time you're investing, it's ROI. SZN'D is because of the ROI. We don't want to just hope for it, right? If this investment takes 10 years, can you lock up your $1,000 for 10 years? Some people say yes. Some people say, man, I ain't got 10 years. I need that money. I may need it for rent. So make sure you're always thinking of that. How long, when do you think it'll turn around and then add some years to that, so that you're not locking money into investments and your mindset's like, oh no, this is going to be a short-term thing, when it actually is going to be a long-term. I think anything with crypto, especially as the governments get more involved, we should start looking at this like decades. And I know that sucks. We may get a run up here. We may, see some prices do some great things. But some of these coins may be stagnant. It may be like XRP, right? When you look at the XRP chart, it was like dead for a minute. Even when that first news of the lawsuit happened, and I think it ran up to that first 80 cents back in, when was that? No. Where? Yeah, this. And it ran up a little bit. We were like, yeah. And then it was like, so it may be like that. A lot of these great coins that we love may have a lot. I mean, look at this. 2018, 2019, 2020, 20. Yeah, look at that. 2021. You may have to wait another 3 or 4 years. A lot of these great coins, their charts may start to look like this. So think in decades, think in 5 years when it comes to some of these really great projects, because they're not going to let you just, you know, hear November and then, like, A lot of those coins are not going to do it in the time you want, even though they're solid projects. I mean, we know. Look at Matic. I don't even think Matic has done anything. Polygon, they are the most buildingest, investingest. I didn't even know Matic fell 25 cents. Jesus, you know what I mean? Matic was a buy at $1. Now people look at it at 25 cents. We're like, bro, that project is dead. They're still building. They still have a lot of partnerships, but again, because it's so interconnected into things, its chart may start to look a little bit like XRP. So that's part of being seasoned, is to know that for every 4 years, it starts to look a lot less like the excitement that we all fell in love with in 2020, 2021. Bitcoin's always going to be moving because more reserves are going to be created. But some of these coins, even if they are connected to Bitcoin, even if they're on the Bitcoin network, the charts may look a little bit like XRP. So I'm going to leave it there. Really sad about Matic being this low. She was. That is. Oof. That is really sad. I mean, it hasn't been this low since 2021. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know, these spikes come, and then all of a sudden it just may get a little flat line. So I'm gonna leave that with you. I never said my name. SZN'D and Slow Rooster. Oh my goodness, Saturday night with a little market update. What was happening for the week? I'm doing this backwards. Please like and subscribe. My bad, y'all. I will do better. See ya.